You want to start lap dancing again?
Are you okay?
No, I actually felt I'm missing. I'm not joking right now.
Oh my shit.
So, the Snoring man's room is dead quiet. We're getting absolutely nothing from it at the minute, which is weird because the last time we heard it was just totally like an old man snoring constantly for like ages, and we were banging and you could hear him like making like noises like that and stuff and all, like we were sort of disturbing them, which is mad like, but it's silent in there now, but there's loads of thudding and stuff. Last time we were here, Carl obviously got possessed and or had an attachment, and he started being sick.